Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do 3D strobe edit on Capcut. So for this edit, you need to import a photo to Capcut, and then after that just click on the photo and go to style, and here swipe until you find the 3D zoom style. Okay, this one. There are two options, 3D zoom and also 3D zoom pro. You can just choose which one that you want to use. So in this case, I'm going to just use the 3D zoom. Click on that effect and wait for it to generating. Okay, after that just click on the check icon and go to video effects. Okay, find the party category and choose the strobe effect. This one, click on that and then click on the check icon. Oops. And the result will go like this. Okay, so that is how you can do the 3D strobe edit. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click on thanks, like this video, leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.